Hey guys, this is Deepti again, and the software that the tool that I'm going to talk about today is called Glary Utilities, and basically it's a very powerful and easy to use tool that fixes all and speeds up your PC. It also protects your PC from all the Trojan and the all the antiviruses, all the viruses and all. So this is how it looks like. It has got a very user-friendly interface. So I just clicked on the icon, and this is what it looks like. It's like it's got overview, one-click maintenance, advanced tools, and over here it does all the features that it has. They're all listed here. So let me go step by step with all these features. So the first one is just it just is a startup manager, like the task manager that you have in Windows. This is the startup manager. Simple, just and suppose you want to delete it or delete this entry or undelay, you can do that. So that's what it does, and this is the second one is the registry repair. Basically it can scan your registry for problems. So you can just pick up any registry and you can scan it, and then it will fix all your PC problems. And this is the context menu manager. It's got all the files and folders, all the files that you have in various directories and everything. It has all these listed here, and the new files are here, if you have them, and you can send them to either compressed zip folder, desktop, create shortcut, mail recipient, my documents, or team viewer. So this is what it does. So, and this is for the disk space analyzer. It tells you how much is your local hard drive, the space, and how much is free space, and how much you have used it in percentage. So, and you can also just select individual drives, or you can select a folder, and then you can find out how much is the disk space remaining in that. So that's what it does. And this is the process manager. This is also like basically task manager. It tells you about all the programs that are running in the background, and it gives you CPU and CPU time. So you can just check, or if you want to stop a program, then you can just end process, block process, show details, properties, etc. So you can do that with this process manager. This is just the uninstall manager. You can uninstall whatever you want, which is there on your in your control panel. Whatever software is there, you can uninstall it. So this is just it tells you about the software updates, how many updates are available. So it says you have 3 new updates and 1 beta update available. So it's kind of tells you about that. And this is the browser. This is just tells you about the browser. This is the browser assistant. Basically it will tell you all the Google Chrome plugins and extensions, search engines, histories, cookies, etc. Suppose you want to click on extensions, so these are all the extensions that you have in Google Chrome. All the plugins, this are all the plugins, the plugins that are installed, the search engines, histories, cookies, etc. You can tell whatever cookies you want to delete or remove item. Let's say you want to delete this cookie, so you can just say remove items. So that's what it does. Then start page is also there. Similarly for Internet Explorer, you have the same thing. Internet Explorer, extra buttons, toolbars, explorer bars, downloaded, ActiveX, and all these other things are there, like the plugins and the extensions and everything. And same is with the Firefox. With Firefox also it's got the same thing, extensions, search engines, plugins, histories, cookies, just like in Chrome we saw. So that's what it is. And lastly, this tells you about the tracks, all the plugins that you have. It's a tracks eraser. Basically you can erase whatever you want to. Let's say erase check tracks. Suppose you want to erase, let's say, temporary internet files, so you can just click on this and just press this button and erase check tracks, and it will erase it for you. Let's see, let me do this. Are you sure you would like to erase 4 track settings? Right now I'm saying no, but you can do that with this. So that's what it does, and here all these other functionalities are there, like what I just talked about. The disk space, it cleans up, removes duplicates, remove empty folders, remove broken shortcuts, explore disk. Anti-malware is a very good tool in this. It removes all your malwares. Then file management you can do with this, restore deleted files, quick search, etc. And similarly with drivers you can backup, restore, and everything, and the defrag also you can do with the hard disk defrag, boot defragment, check for errors. So I find this tool I find the software very easy to use, and it's got a lot of these neat features, like it can optimize, clean and boost the speed of your Windows, protect your privacy and security, block spyware, trojans, adware, etc., fix application errors, and it's got a very simple, fast and user friendly interface. So I find this a very handy utility, and I hope you also like it. So and just go ahead and download it from my channel, from my YouTube channel link, and I hope to see you in another great video presentation next time. Thanks. Bye.